O God, O Lord, O Supreme Power, O Paramatma, O Bhagwan, O Allah, O Jesus, O Divine Entities, O Guru, under your presence, I forgive all and ask for forgiveness from everyone. Lord, bless me with love, peace, knowledge, celebration, happiness, health, wealth, wisdom, freedom, prosperity, power, passion, compassion, and bliss. Allow me to receive and spread it to all. God, make me devoted so I can remember you every day. Forgive me, Lord. I knowingly or unknowingly make innumerable mistakes. God, give me the wisdom, knowledge, awareness, and blessing to realize my mistakes so I can overcome them. I'm sure with your and Guru's guidance, I shall become aware of all my bad karmas and be able to remove them. O Supreme Power, with your grace, compassion, care and concern, please help me eliminate all my inner demons and negativities. God, please make me free from hurts, guilt, rebel, complaints, anger, jealousy, gossip, doubt, pride and proud, sadness, frustration, depression, disappointment, fear, laziness, dishonesty, selfishness, rigidity, rudeness, cruelty, ego, greed, hatred, and all other weaknesses. Let me always be happy. Let me contribute to everyone's life with love, peace, knowledge, and celebration. My Lord, I surrender to you. I believe in you. I trust in you. Whatever is happening in my life is because of you. Heal me and make me feel alive. Oh God, bless me to be shockproof, brave, determined, decisive, responsible, humble, simple, disciple, disciplined, discrimination-free, inhibitions-free, complex-free. Give me the confidence and willpower to follow my vision and mission. Give me the power of healing. Give me the power of motivating and transforming lives. O Supreme Power, please give me power to seek wisdom and freedom. Enlighten me to contribute love, peace, knowledge, and celebration all across humanity and create harmony all over the world. Love you, God. Love you, universe. Make us all united and peaceful. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Amen.